The WeCreat Lumos laser engraver has quickly become my go-to tool for making custom personalized gifts for Christmas. The Lumos is so easy to use, even for beginners who've never used a laser before. So today I'm going to show you 9 fun stocking stuffers that you can create for your friends or that you can sell for your small business. If we're just meeting right now, hi, my name is Nisha. Welcome to Little Craft Nest. The first item on the list is wood slice ornaments. Now, I absolutely love making these because they're not just great to hang on the tree. You can also use them as stocking tags, gift tags, or name tags at the holiday dinner party. Now, I recently did a whole video on how to make these step by step. So if you're interested in making these, go check out that video next. I will leave a link for that video down below in the description. Now, personalized teacher gifts are always very popular, especially during the holiday season. So our next item is personalized pens. I would love a set of pens with my name on it, and I'm sure the teachers in your life would too. What's really cool about the WeCreat Lumos is that you can change the bed out of the base of the machine. So you can take out this flat bed and put this bed in instead. Now, this bed is typically used for cutting wood, but we're going to use it as a pen holder. I found it held these bamboo pens really well, and I was able to engrave multiple pens at a time, which is a huge time saver. Now, these pens took less than a minute to engrave, and you can also engrave on both sides. So you can put a cute little quote on one side and then maybe the teacher's name on the other side. And because you're able to engrave them so quickly with this machine, they would make a great item to sell for your small business. Just don't forget to make yourself a set of pens as well with your business name on them. Now, I'm sure you'll be attending some festive celebrations this holiday season and bringing your favorite beverage along with you. So why not give a personalized hostess gift such as a bottle opener? These are also very simple and quick to engrave. I love that the Lumos allows you to frame your design so you can see exactly where your image will go on your blank. So your design will always be lined up. Now, these bottle openers are also two-sided, so you can have a message on one side and then write something like Christmas 2025 on the other one. Another two-sided item that I made were wooden keychains. These not only are great to put inside a stocking, you could also use them as a present topper as well. This one says life is better at the campfire, and then on the back, I just have an initial. You could also place monograms on these as well. I also put together this image in Canva, perfect for those outdoor toys. Now, I showed you a lot of wood projects that you can engrave, but you can engrave more than just wood. One of the things I love to engrave are slate coasters. I love the look of slate coasters because they look so good in any type of decor, and they just add a unique and personalized touch. This time of year, my kids are always asking for hot chocolate or hot cocoa, cocoa, however you say it. So I had to make some cute coasters for them. These would also be really sweet to package in groups of 2 or groups of 4. They would be a great item to sell at craft fairs as well as give as gifts. Now, we can't forget about the family pet at Christmas time. So why not make a personalized dog tag with your dog or your friend's dog's name on it? You can even put your contact information on the back. These would make great gifts for your friends with pets, and of course, make one for your own as well. Because these coated aluminum dog tags are so quick to engrave, they would be a great item to engrave on the spot at craft fairs. The Lumos is incredibly portable and easy to set up at any vendor event. Another material that you can engrave with the WeCreat Lumos is leather, whether that's genuine leather or faux leather. Now, before you engrave any material, it's a good idea to do an array test, and WeCreat makes that so easy. I did an array test with these faux leather patches so I could see what setting was best for this material, and I just love how these patches turned out. They have such a great look to them. You can attach them to clothing, to hats. I attached one to a fanny pack, which turned out super cute. And you can either sew these on an item or they're also heat activated. So you can use an iron to press them on your material. Another leather item I engraved was a notebook. Now, this is a faux leather notebook. It already had a design on the front, but my son really wanted this journal, and so I engraved his name on the back. And I just love how it turned out. Now, all the projects I've shown you so far were made with the 10-watt diode laser, which is inside this machine. But it doesn't just have a diode laser, it also has a 3-watt infrared laser, which means you can also engrave metals, including jewelry. So one of my favorite projects that I created was adding the names of my children onto this necklace. And look how tiny the Lumos can engrave. I got 3 names on this very tiny pendant, and it looks absolutely stunning. So if you really want to take your gift giving up a notch, engrave some jewelry. Trust me, everyone's gonna love it. Now, WeCreat actually sent me this heart pendant when I got this machine. So I'm just so happy with the way it turned out. It's absolutely beautiful, and I can't wait to engrave more jewelry. Speaking of engraving in metals, did you know the WeCreat can also engrave in color? Totally a game changer. So if you want to learn more about that, check out this video right here, and I hope to see you on more crafting adventures.